Okay, bro, welcome back to the new trading recap. So as you could read from the title, today I lost money. Okay, I lost 45 euros. But now that I analyze the price again, it's completely logical why I lost it, because the reason for that is that I am a dumbass. Okay, so let's go together through the trading recap. As you can see here, I have a lot of lines, so I'm gonna delete all of this so that it's a little bit clearer. Okay, like this. I'm gonna delete this. No, actually I need to keep that one, and I'm gonna delete that one and this one. All right, so let's go to the trading recap. All right, so look, what happened was the following thing. Okay, today we opened, instead of at midnight as usual, we opened 7 hours and 30 minutes later. Okay, so that should have already been a first sign that today we are going to manipulate like crazy, because we have 7.5 hours of non-trading activity, all right, which gives quite an opportunity to manipulate. So actually Tokyo session then, instead of from 1 p.m. from 1 in the morning to 9 in the morning, actually lasted only from 7:30 to 9. All right, so here I marked the low and the high, but the high was already taken with London session rally. So I also then, when we started the United States trading session at 3:30, I marked London low and London high, as well as to pre-session high and pre-session low. Okay, so look, notice what the price does. The price goes up through the pre-market session high and then continues lower through the pre-market session low. All right, so when that happened, the price went all the way up and swept liquidity on the both Tokyo session high and previous day high. And then when that happened, I started to anticipate that perhaps we will go lower, even higher, because here we have, I believe, not even all-time highs, but I know that here we have a lot of liquidity. You see this high that is very close to each other, then we have this high, and all of those 1 hour highs that you could see in the beginning of the video were completely stacked next to each other. All right, so my daily bias was to go bullish. Why? Because we also during I think it was yesterday, no, not yesterday, but in the last trading session, I think we swept already previous day low as well. So the only way that we could continue was to go higher. That was my idea. So I then was monitoring the highs, because as you could see right now here, with this huge candle, we broke structure to the upside and we were ready to go higher. So then here I marked my fair value gap as well as my equilibrium. And then when either fair value gap and equilibrium got hit, I went to 1 minute chart. Okay, in this case, what got hit was fair value gap with this exact candle right now here. So here I waited for break of structure to the upside, which we got with this huge candle. What I did was I entered, I put stop loss here on 1.05 on the equilibrium, and I targeted, I think, for 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, which would have been this 1 hour high that we saw that was quite huge. Okay, so when that happened, as you could see, I entered and then the price immediately went lower and stopped me out. Okay, so no problem, because I already know the issue for that. The issue why I got stopped out is because we haven't swept neither Tokyo session low nor London session low. So of course this was just a manipulation. We went to the previous day high, we swept it, and I should know that previous day high is quite a strong, not resistance, but come on, I don't like to use the term resistance, but yeah, it's quite strong confluence. Okay, so for tomorrow, when I'm gonna trade crypto, most likely I have to pay attention for that, and I also need to pay attention that I rather wait that both that the price hits both equilibrium, okay, 0.5 on equilibrium, and then fair value gap at the same time. Because if I would wait for that, if I would have waited, look what would happen. It would go up, then up, okay, and then here we didn't have any bounce, neither from the middle of the fair value gap on the 5-minute chart, nor on the middle point from the equilibrium. So then the price just continued down, and I wouldn't have taken that trade, okay? Then I would start to maybe analyze again the price action, and then what I would do like this, okay? I would go to 5 minutes. We are somewhere here, so I would see, okay, we broke structure to the downside. We inversed this fair value gap as well, okay? So from bullish one, it became bearish inverse fair value gap, and then plus additional bearish fair value gap within that fair value gap. So yeah, it would have been quite a lot of confirmation that we want to go lower, because we also had to hit London session low and Tokyo session low, and then also perhaps previous day low, okay? So yeah, quite a dummy mistake from my part, but no worries. We are learning every day something new. This is just a new experience, and we are ready for tomorrow. So now I'm gonna make a screenshot out of this trade. I'm gonna put it in my Discord server trading breakdown, so feel free to join with the first link in the description. I'm not selling anything. We have quite a lot of content about trading. We see daily analysis, okay? We have trading breakdown, we have public chat, and also self-improvement. So feel free to join. Do the hard work, bro, and see you on top of the world.